Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to disassemble and clean the mixing bowl on your THERMOMIX TM7. In order to do it, you can remove the mixing bowl from the station. Then, of course, let's remove the lid. And in order to disassemble it, it's very easy. You turn this switch right here to the left side. Then you can easily remove the blade from the inside, as well as the stainless steel part of the mixing bowl. Now this plastic, all of these parts can be put in the dishwasher. In most cases there is no need to put the plastic part inside. You can just wipe it off of some like excess stains if they occur, but of course this part and this should be cleaned pretty precisely. Once you're done with that, if you've put them in dishwasher or cleaned manually, then you can reassemble it by inserting the mixing bowl in a way that this notch here and this black part are going exactly in the center of the handle, so towards the handle like that. Once you put it in, you can put the blade in until it goes actually in. Once it's in, you can now lock this switch to the side. I'll lock it. It requires some force, but once it's locked all the way there, then the bowl is assembled again. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.